to cook this. That is my talent. That is my talent to daddy have given me. Welcome to it. This is guava. Oh, oh, Jesus. Oh. That's good. And a mixture of maize, beans, juguma, and coconut. But I didn't cook, so one day we should have to cook this food. But today we must eat this. Wow. Hey, Mwanga!
Good morning to my most precious, beloved, and beautiful global family, my brothers, my sisters, and my soulkin from every corner of this magnificent and diverse planet. As the golden eye of the sun rises with majestic power over the lush, emerald horizon of our ancestral lands, my heart swells with a love that is deeper and more profound than the roots of the ancient baobab trees that guard our plains. Today is a day of absolute triumph and spiritual clarity here in our village. For many days, the heavens remained open, pouring down a relentless and rhythmic rain that soaked our deep red earth, turning the world into a misty sanctuary. But this morning, the clouds have finally parted like a curtain, revealing a sky of endless blue. The sun has emerged with such brilliance that the entire village is literally glowing, shimmering in a vibrant, crystalline light that makes every leaf and every blade of grass feel brand new. I am Malia, and I am overwhelmed with a sacred joy to welcome you back into our world. A world where the air is sweet with the scent of wet earth, the birds sing of eternal hope, and the soil provides everything we need to flourish in peace. In this beautiful, sun-drenched morning, we are gathered to celebrate the humble yet magnificent gift of our daily bread. And after the heavy rains, the soil has become soft, fertile, and incredibly generous, yielding its hidden treasures to us with ease. I have gone into the heart of our garden, stepping carefully through the damp grass, and pulled from the earth the most beautiful, sturdy cassava roots you have ever laid eyes upon. To us, this is not just a root. It is a miracle of survival and a testament to the richness of Africa. And to see the fresh cassava laid out, still wearing the damp soil of its birth, is to see the promises of our ancestors being fulfilled in real time. I have taken it upon myself today to prepare our traditional morning tea with a special, golden twist that reflects the radiant sky above. So I am carefully frying this cassava in our outdoor kitchen until it achieves a perfect, sunset gold crust, crisp and crackling on the outside, yet remaining as soft, white, and buttery as a cloud on the inside.
Guys,
the intoxicating aroma of the frying cassava, mingling with the gentle drift of wood smoke from our hearth, creates a fragrance that defines the very soul of our village life. But as you have come to know, our life here is never a solitary journey. It is a beautiful story of companionship, shared labor, and deep, unspoken understanding. And I'm never alone in this path. Beside me, as always, stands my dear sister, Esther, my strength, my constant confidant, and my mirror in this life. While I tend to the sizzling pan, ensuring each piece of cassava reaches its peak of golden perfection, Esther has taken on the vital and artistic task of preparing the ultimate accompaniment to our meal, our famous village kachambali. Watch with me as her hands move with a grace and precision passed down through countless generations of women. She is skillfully dicing the ripest, sun-reddened tomatoes, the sharp, pungent onions, and the vibrant green peppers to create a salad that is alive with color, crunch, and vitality. This kachambali is the heart of the meal, adding a burst of acidic freshness that cuts through the richness of the fried cassava, creating a balance so perfect it feels royal. And this partnership, this effortless harmony between us, is the foundation of our happiness and the reason our mornings are always filled with laughter and profound peace. We invite you now to breathe deeply and sit with us here, beneath the sprawling, protective leaves of our ancient banana grove. Take a moment to look around and truly feel the tranquility that blankets our humble home, as the morning light filters through the vast green canopy above, dancing across the ground in flickering patterns of liquid gold. Here, we are light years away from the relentless noise of the city, the heavy weight of the digital world, and the frantic rush of modern existence. There is a deep, profound, and almost sacred satisfaction in preparing your own sustenance from the very land you walk upon with bare feet. And each rhythmic slice of Esther's knife, each crackle of the orange flames beneath my pan, is a living prayer of gratitude to the Creator. We feel so incredibly blessed to share these intimate, raw moments of our existence with you, knowing that even though oceans and mountains may separate us, we are joined together by this shared love for the simple, untamed beauty of the natural world. As the sun continues its majestic climb higher into the sky, drying the very last of the dew from the tall grass, we want to reach out across the screen and touch your hearts directly, because we believe with all our souls that this community we have built together is not just a collection of viewers, but a global tribe, a family that knows no borders, no barriers, and no limits. We want you to feel the actual warmth of our fire and the genuine love that overflows from our kitchen today. And if you find even a small moment of peace in our village life, and if you are moved by the unbreakable bond between Malia and Esther, then we invite you to officially join our global family forever. Please, take a second to click the subscribe button and give this video a heartfelt like. Your support is the nourishing rain that helps our channel grow, allowing us to continue sharing the hidden, beautiful treasures of Africa with the entire world. We read every single comment you leave with tears of joy in our eyes, and we want to hear your voice today. We want to know what your morning breakfast looks like in your part of the world. And if you have ever had the chance to taste the earth's sweetness through a freshly harvested, sun-fried cassava. Our tea is almost ready now, and the thick, aromatic steam is rising high into the clear air, carrying the scent of our village breakfast to the very tops of the trees. This meal is more than just food. It represents our independence, our vibrant health, and our uncomplicated happiness. We have learned that we do not need much to feel like the wealthiest people on earth. We have the blessing of the sun, the generosity of the soil, and the unwavering love of each other. As we prepare to finally sit and enjoy this feast of golden fried cassava and vibrant, fresh kachambali, we pray that your day is as bright, as hopeful, and as full of light as our village is on this magnificent morning. Thank you for traveling across the globe, through time zones and cultures, just to spend these precious, quiet minutes on our mat. We cherish your presence, we value your incredible kindness, and we welcome you into our hearts with open arms today and every day. From the depths of our souls, Malia and Esther send you all the love we can possibly give. So stay blessed, stay connected to the earth, and we will see you again at the very next sunrise. Welcome home.
That's nice. Naomba kisu. Hapa. Mabe mfunuka ujaji. Thank you. Shetani mbaya wewe, nakwenda na Yesu, sema Bi, njoo chukua tamu hii. Achukua hii. Wewe unaongea na nani? Wewe unacheka na nani kwenda ngoni? Nacheka na si. Si mgeni wako? Homo craft. Nyanya zote. Angalia wewe. Sasa sijui kwa sababu nataka nini ndio. Sasa tukubali nyanya zote hizo mangu, si nyanya huko hiyo ndugu yangu. Padam, padam. Go there. Shit. Ama sasa ni? Ukarai. Kakae huku. Nenda kakae. Kakae huku. Kakae huko utulie. Bi. Hata kutoa password siku hizi anahangaika nayo kweli.
Utakuta kaandika maneno mengi.
Mpaka siku ilijiroki. Kaangaika mwenye kachola. Jue mgome. Mbona mweke ndani? Ndani. Au mnaendisha? Kacholi zani. Apa kami ni papa bye. Sitaki makazi ya kachumbari. Angalia zile nguzo dada. Oh, Johnny. Wewe what's kuroga. Sasa saya usiku na nitani kwa kwako. Siku. Ntiye tonge unayua nini kende. Ai mama siji bahani mwana mafuta. Ai mama siji jokwe tukio. Siku ni ndefu. Vamos kuvigeuza. Ndio huku hata waki moto jamani. Ile miogo galaba dunia yao ni biashara miogo hasara kule. Japokuwa ina faida. Kwa sababu adimu. Hata kufanya Ungekushika mkono bwana. Moshi. Kuna mtu ambaye anaiona ina nini? Ndio moto, wala moshi. Haji gani? Shule kwa kuna hali jamaa alaje. Lakini ukimaliza shule haipogi hiyo kitu. Akuja. Auntie. Njoo. Amekaa juu akishuka tanguka. Sikula sana maharage. Miogo nimeshapika nikambe tumegai kudadei. Nikaa nishatoka kwenye hesabu kupika nikambe wewe unaumwa nini? Na mimi wake. Anajua mwenye sija na mimi amekula pilau yeye kalakani. Mimi nasema Kaenda kanunua dagaa mchele wa buku kampeleke. Bila kachumbali bila chochote. Jana kaacha 5,000 nyumbani ya chakula. Hapo kapeleka vile. Jamaa yeye yupo busy. Na vinu zako nilizima simu. Kwa sababu gani? Kanielekeza nikamwambia koma unafuatwa. Ndio akafuata speed. Hapo narudi. Kama mahusiano pa. Sana dada. Yeye akuaje tuna limit. Mwanamke yeye waga akuaje. Kwa nini? Sasa bora sisi shule. Afu kijijini kila mtu ana mti wa mpilipili. Jam kama sukari. Oto. Nenda ndani. Nenda. Beto sukari. Siendekezi. Mtoto anataka kuonja. Ulitaka utulishe kuchemsha kuweza. Nitakuwa tu wewe kama ndio basi. Suende ndani. Welcome to it. This is guava. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Baba pungo la kipaji. Na ile kitu ya nanilia dogo anavuta bangi, babake ameongea mpaka amechoka. Eti nakupa laana. Mzee kavua nguo. Wewe dogo alipobeba kilainishi. Sasa malizie kabisa hiyo laana niipate vizuri. Mzee kavaa nguo chafu. Ndio. Hebu mnisaidie kuna nini moto? Hogo la mwisho hilo. Mtoto ana akili vizuri. Mtoto singomaza. Mtoto anayefeli na nyumbani ni mtoto wa mama. Mtoto mkwani mwenye adabu wa baba. Malezi anatoa nani wazuri? Mama, baba. Unakuta nataka dogilie. Wanawake najua tuliumbaga kuja kufanya nini? Sisi ni kama makapi ya baby yale. Ndio. Binafsi. Sasa kama ndio haraka tunaona hivyo anaanza. Aja. Ambaye hajazaga kwa uchungu ni Ezekiel Michael tu. Yeye anapiga zake akaunti zake baada wiki labda azajifungue ndo kufanya. Na samahani. Unazoni. Hivi kuna mbona hawajai kuchukua au zaidi? Mwacha mwenye kuni zake. Na huko kwa tafani. Sasa hiyo sasa ni kumuuliza hivi. Sio pangani. Nasema mnyonge mnyonge yake mpeni mke mwenzanaye. nikiwa mwezini kwa mambo kusatiziara.
Yaani unanuna mpaka una basi.
Nataka nikae kijiti kabisa. Hasa tunapita na boda, kuna boda. Hey, huku mvua imenyesha. Anakuambia mvua sokoni imefika pale sokoni, imezunguka ile soko afundishie hivyo. Imenyesha mpaka sokoni imezunguka hivi soko basi. Huku barabarani kwenda hivi haijaisha. Mwanamke zangai, unalia umeshika diki huko. Kiswahili chungu sana. Basi nitakusaidia pilipili mna. Ni yule pale zimoto kidogo au ni kidogo. Au ndo kujifariji. Zimoto. Sawa. Takabadilishana. Chafu. Chafu hiyo baya. Baya. Tupa. Wajini. Kama sio nizamu. Auntie, njoo chukua tamu. Njoo chukua tamu. Mabi, kapilipili dasi kachecha njoo. Kapilipili kaenda. Kachumbari. Leo ni kachumbari kwake.
Chumbani kinajaa.
Weka umukito cho. Akasotsojo wanawake mama hindi wewe tufunge. Oh yes. Ili ongeze. Hii. Kachi. Kwa memaji anasema leo ni furaha mwaka huu.